How to turn off Quick Add on Snapchat. So there are different ways on how to get rid of Quick Add on Snapchat. So the first method is to turn off Quick Add feature. So just launch the Snapchat application. Now tap your profile icon, which is located on the upper left corner. And then tap the gear icon, which is located on the upper right corner. So scroll down until you're under Privacy Control. Then you will see this option, See Me in Quick Add, and then uncheck the box beside Show Me in Quick Add. By doing so, you will not be appearing in other people's Quick Add list. Also, this will significantly reduce your random Snapchat ad requests. Another method is to turn off Quick Add notifications. Tap your profile picture, which is located on the upper left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to open Settings. Now under My Account, you will see this option Notifications. So select this option and you will be directed to the Notification Settings page. Find the Friend Suggestions option and uncheck it. From this point forward, you will no longer receive notifications informing you someone has added you via Quick Add anymore. Now this last method consists of disabling contacts permission. So to do this, just tap your profile picture located on the upper left corner. Then in your main page, tap the gear icon, which is located in the upper right corner. Then in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, and under account actions, you should see this option Contact Syncing. Select this option, and then turn off the toggle button beside Share Contacts with Snapchat. After that, the contacts in your phone will not be visible in the Quick Add option, but they will still remain in your phone book. And so those are the ways on how to turn off Quick Add on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.